Financial independence, the dream of living life on your own terms without being shackled by money worries. It's not just for the wealthy or the lucky. It's for anyone willing to adopt the right habits and stick to them consistently. In this video, we're diving into 5 habits that can help you achieve financial independence. These aren't theories, they're proven practices backed by real-life examples, and if you make them a part of your life, the results can be transformational. So stick around until the end, because the final habit might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. The concept of paying yourself first has been the cornerstone of financial success for decades. It's simple. Before you pay bills, spend on entertainment, or splurge on a shopping spree, you set aside a portion of your income for your future. This could mean savings, investments, or debt repayment, anything that builds your financial foundation. One timeless example of this is found in The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. The book emphasizes setting aside at least 10% of your earnings before spending on anything else. Even if it seems like a small percentage, over time, this consistent habit grows into a significant safety net. Let's look at a real-life case. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people on the planet. Even when Buffett was young and far from being a billionaire, he always prioritized saving and investing first. By consistently paying himself first, he built a financial empire that grew exponentially over time. How can you start? Automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit that transfers a portion of your paycheck into a high-yield savings account or an investment portfolio. This way, you don't even have to think about it. It's automatic, ensuring you never miss the money. Over time, this habit creates a powerful snowball effect, allowing your wealth to grow steadily while giving you peace of mind. Habit 2. Lead below your means. This habit may sound basic, but it's one of the hardest for people to adopt in today's consumer-driven world. Spend less than you earn. No matter how much you make, if your spending matches or exceeds your income, financial independence will remain out of reach. The book The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko is a treasure trove of insights on this topic. The author studied millionaires and discovered that most of them don't live extravagant lifestyles. Instead, they live modestly, save diligently, and focus on growing their wealth. Take Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, for instance. Despite his billionaire status, he was famously frugal, flying economy, driving an older car, and eating at inexpensive restaurants. His ability to live below his means allowed him to reinvest in his business and build generational wealth. For most people, the struggle comes from lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, so does your spending. A higher salary might lead to upgrading your car, buying a bigger house, or indulging in luxuries that weren't part of your budget before. To avoid this trap, track your expenses carefully. Apps like Mint or You Need a Budget, YNAB, are excellent tools to identify where your money is going and where you can cut back. By resisting the urge to overspend, you create a gap between your income and expenses, a gap that can be directed towards savings and investments. Habit 3. Invest regularly. Saving money is essential, but saving alone won't make you financially independent. To truly grow your wealth, you need to invest regularly. Investing allows your money to work for you, generating returns that compound over time. Compound interest, often called the eighth wonder of the world, is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. Let's consider a real-world example. Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard and a pioneer of low-cost index funds. Bogle revolutionized investing by making it accessible to everyday people. His philosophy was simple: invest consistently in low-cost index funds and hold them for the long term. This strategy has helped countless individuals grow their wealth without needing to become stock market experts. You don't need to be rich to start investing. Many platforms, such as Vanguard, Fidelity, Robinhood, or Acorns, allow you to invest with small amounts. Focus on diversified options like index funds or ETFs, which spread your money across various assets, reducing risk while offering steady returns. And remember, the key to investing success is consistency. Whether the market is up or down, stick to your plan. Time in the market is far more valuable than timing the market. If you're unsure where to start, consider using a robo-advisor, which can create and manage a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Over time, your consistent investments will grow, bringing you closer to financial independence. Habit 4. Continuously educate yourself about money. One of the biggest barriers to financial independence is a lack of financial literacy. The truth is, many of us were never taught how to manage money effectively. That's why one of the most critical habits you can adopt is to continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Take Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, as an example. Kiyosaki's financial journey began when he realized the importance of financial education. His book focuses on understanding assets, liabilities, and cash flow, and it has inspired millions to take control of their finances. So how can you educate yourself? Start with foundational books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. Listen to podcasts hosted by financial experts such as The Dave Ramsey Show or Bigger Pockets Money. Follow credible sources on social media such as CNBC, Make It, or Investopedia, and take free online courses on platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy. Financial education is a lifelong process. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about saving, investing, and managing debt. And in today's fast-changing financial landscape, staying informed is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Habit 5. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is one of the biggest risks to financial independence. If you lose your job or your main source of income dries up, your financial stability is at risk. That's why the fifth habit is to build multiple streams of income. A perfect example of this is Elon Musk. While most of us know him for Tesla, Musk also earns from SpaceX, The Boring Company, and Neuralink, diversifying his income across multiple industries. Although you don't need to build rocket ships, the principle of having more than one income stream applies to everyone. So how can you create multiple streams of income? Start by exploring side hustles that align with your skills and interests. Freelancing, tutoring, or creating digital products are great options. Invest in assets like real estate, which can provide passive income through rental payments. Or consider dividend-paying stocks, where you earn a portion of a company's profits just for holding shares. The internet has also made it easier than ever to generate income. You can sell products on platforms like Etsy, create a blog or YouTube channel, or even earn through affiliate marketing. The key is to start small and scale up as you go. Each additional income stream adds a layer of security and accelerates your journey to financial independence. Bonus tips for financial independence. While these 5 habits are essential, here are a few bonus tips to enhance your financial journey. Avoid debt traps. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial independence. Focus on paying off high-interest debts, like credit card balances, as quickly as possible. Use methods like the debt snowball or avalanche to tackle your debts systematically. Set clear financial goals. Define what financial independence means to you. Is it retiring early? Traveling full-time? Starting your own business? Having clear goals will keep you motivated and focused on the bigger picture. Stay disciplined. Consistency is the secret sauce to success. Whether it's saving, investing, or budgeting, stick to your plan, even when it's difficult. Remember, financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Achieving financial independence isn't reserved for the wealthy or the lucky. It's attainable for anyone willing to adopt the right habits and remain consistent. By paying yourself first, living below your means, investing regularly, educating yourself about money, and building multiple streams of income, you can take control of your financial future. Start today. Even small changes can lead to massive results over time. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on personal finance and wealth-building strategies. Let's build a financially free future together.